Money Mastery, Essential Rules for Financial Success, Volume 3. Fresh insights inspired by today's top money books and real-life strategies for everyday people. Welcome back to Book Summaries Audio. In this video, we will talk about Money Mastery, Volume 3, your go-to audio guide for simple, powerful money rules that actually work in real life. In this volume, we tap into new voices in personal finance, voices that speak to the hustle, the hardship, and the hope of building wealth from the ground up. From broke to budget boss, from stressed to secure. Let's dive in. Rule number 1, design your life first. Then budget for it, inspired by The Financial Diet by Chelsea Fagan. Chelsea Fagan flips traditional finance advice on its head. She says, instead of building a budget and hoping it fits your life, design the life you want, then make your money match that. This is empowering for burned-out millennials, college grads with anxiety around money, people who want more than just survival. Visualize your ideal day, your ideal week. Then, reverse engineer your finances to support that. Rule number 2, create a no-spend strategy, not just a challenge. Inspired by The No-Spend Year by Michelle McGarg. Michelle McGarg didn't buy anything non-essential for an entire year and lived to tell the tale. Her experiment turned into a mindset. Less isn't deprivation, it's freedom. Try it for 30 days, 1 week a month, weekends only, especially useful for moms doing monthly budget resets, low-income households looking to save fast, people recovering from impulse spending. Rule number 3, turn skills into streams. Inspired by Money, a Love Story by Kate Northrup. Kate Northrup reminds us that money is not just math, it's energy. And one of the most loving things you can do for yourself is earn from what you're already good at. Ask yourself, what do friends always ask me for help with? What do I enjoy doing that others hate doing? What can I teach, create, or sell online? This rule is gold for moms who want to work from home, skilled tradespeople wanting to go digital, anyone tired of undervaluing themselves. Rule number 4, save for joy, not just emergencies. Inspired by Happy Money by Ken Honda. Ken Honda, Japan's Zen millionaire, teaches that money should bring peace, not stress. That's why he encourages us to save not only for emergencies, but for happiness. Create a happy fund for a weekend getaway, a surprise for your kids, a new hobby that lights you up. Even if it's just $5 a week, it matters. It rewires how you see money, not as a source of fear, but as a tool for joy. Rule number 5, create lazy wealth with systems, not willpower, inspired by Effortless by Greg McKeown. McKeown, also author of Essentialism, teaches that success doesn't have to be hard, especially in money. The key, remove friction, make saving and earning effortless by designing systems. For example, auto-transfer money into 3 buckets: needs, wants, wealth. Schedule a 10-minute money date every week. Set up recurring investments, even if it's $10 a month. You made it to the end of Money Mastery, Volume 3. That tells me one thing. You're not here to stay stuck. You're here to master your money, no matter where you're starting from. So take just one idea from today and act on it. Because when your mindset and your money work together, you become unstoppable. And always remember, you don't need more money to start. You need better rules. Click the link below for more financial success tips.